Good morning, and here is my Fujifilm XF18 f2. If you are hearing any noise, then this noise is coming from this lens. By the way, I'm also using an external tilt microphone Audio Technica 189912. Why are you making so much noise? Why you can't be a good lens? It's me Jimmy. Let's get started with this lens.
It's me Jimmy. So here's the Fujifilm 18mm f2. Again, I know this is an old lens. It's a really like 7 or 8 years ago with the Fujifilm X-T1, something like that, along with the 27mm, the Mark 1 version. I know it's loud. Do not worry. I will be doing a video test also. I will testing with the built-in microphone. Also, I will be using this harmonic blink big 500 pro. So here is a deal. I got a deal again. It was the deal was I pay like $200. It do not include any hood. I will be doing the stabilization test also. Make sure to check out my channel Outing Journal. In that test I will be comparing it with my favorite 14mm f2.5 on the Olympus EM5, because this 40mm 80mm they are same focal length in 35mm full frame equivalent. They are 28mm. Come on. Okay, let me just put this one. Okay, wow, I really like it. They give 1 million for 3 lens. Wow, 80mm. Wow, I'm surprised. Wow, it comes with a case, again brand new, never used case. Okay, let me just put it inside. Come on. Also, let me know what kind of video should I make. Again, please subscribe my Outing Journal. Outing, O-U-T-I-N-G, outing. For example, you're going for an outing today. In journal, for example, you write something Journal, journal, Outing Journal. Make sure to subscribe my channel, my travel channel. So here it is. Again, this do not come with a hood. Personally, I hate the hood. I do not understand why people will use hood. Again, in my personal life, hood do not make any difference to protect against flare or something like this, unless you're using a telephoto lens. Hood really make it bulky. Again, so here you can see the size is still okay. I still cannot call it like a pancake lens. It's a little bit thick. It's really, I mean, this one Fujinon is around 32 centimeter, not 32 centimeter, 32mm, and this Panasonic 20mm f2.5 is around 20mm. So this is a true pancake lens, and this is my Panasonic 20mm f1.7. so let me just show you. So as you can see, this one is a 25mm, this one 32mm. Again, this is not pancake. This is not pancake lens by any mean. I do not understand why people call it pancake. Anything about 30mm is not considered pancake for a APS-C. I mean, if it was on full frame, again we can call it a pancake. For a pancake, anything below 40mm is considered a pancake for a full frame. So here you go. Let me take out. So yeah. So now here is the review. I mean, here is the images and video test. I hope you like it. the video. Right now I have turned off the EIS, so the field of view will be increased, because with the EIS there is 1.1 crop. But right now I'm utilizing the IPS. How good is the video quality? How good is the video stabilization? This is the standard profile using the IPS only, Fujifilm 18mm f2 built-in microphone. I'm at the shutter priority, shutter 60. This is the close-up test of the Fujifilm 18mm f2. I'm using the external microphone, Harmonic Blink B500. This is the Fujifilm 18mm f2. So right now I know the shutter speed will be around at maximum 4000. I'm not using any ND filter. One of the downside of the Fujifilm X10 is the shutter speed is on 4000. So can you come closer? If you want to focus the cameraman, you can press AF on button. Can you see the AF on button behind? Where is your thumb?
Okay.
Yeah, here. Just go. Can you see AF on?
Yes.
Yeah, when you want to focus, just press the AF on. Do it. Focus on me.
Okay.
Okay, it's focused now. Okay. So now I just want to do. This is the video quality of the 18mm f2. So let me just turn around. 18mm f2, Fujifilm 18mm f2 video quality. I'm shooting in the Volvia. I'm shooting in the Volvia or the Vivid profile. So right now I am with the IBUS Plus, the digital stabilization, which is called DIS, with 1.1 crop. So this is the Fujifilm 18mm. I'm holding the camera from the grip. Now let me hold it from the lens. So this is the field of view you are going to get. I'm using the internal profile, which I really like it. So how will it do against the flare, against the sun? Is there any flare? I'm using the EIS with 1.1 crop, 18mm Fujifilm f2 classic chrome. So right now I'm using the IBUS plus the digital image stabilization with a 1.1 crop. So it turned into, you have to multiply 18 multiply by 1.1, it equal to 19.8. So just call it 20 millimeter. So if we are using the digital image stabilization, it turned into a 20 millimeter. So I'm just using the AF on button to focus. I am just handling and trying to walk. So it's quite hot out today. So yeah, you need to be the judge how good is the stabilization, how good is the autofocus. I'm testing with IBUS only. This is with the IBUS only. Fujifilm f2 IBUS only. You need to be the judge how good is the stabilization. I'm handling IBUS only. Let me walk slowly. Okay, it's trying to lose me. Okay, now it's better. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.